This is the Andersen 3000 series handle set. Andersen makes one style handle for all of their doors. So let's open this. When you open it, you're first going to see an escutcheon, as they call these, with a button on it. This is the interior escutcheon that goes on the inside of the door. Also has this little thing sticking out there. This other one is the exterior outer escutcheon. Pulling out the white spacer there. On the left side you have, this is the deadbolt with the key for the door, and then you have two door handles. This first door handle that has the spindle attached. Depending on which way your door swings, it can either be the interior or the exterior handle. The second handle does not have a spindle attached. Again, it can be either interior or exterior. Then you have the bag of mounting screws. And finally, you have, this is a door hardware, door latch cover plate that will be installed on the side of the door. That is the contents of the Andersen 3000 series door handle box.